locations. And this will be added to another form of tourism, trade tourism. This NIRBAC is another joint venture between the city government and the DTI. And as what Director Villas has discussed about NIRBAC, para kunti pa lang nata yung NIRBAC dito sa Pilipinas. And I think Ormoc is one of the few, one of the first.
He turned us to this new city hall, and it's a symbol, like a family. If a family grows, then the father has a beautiful house. So the city is really growing because Engineer Eric William produced a good house for the city. And the Ormoc City Chamber of Commerce, together with the past President Laya Desari and the past President Benign Balista, and the Board of Directors, are glad that now we are part and considered as a partner of the city. So thank you again, Engineer Eric Villas.
Opening of this new building and with the departments and offices in one, we are expecting to have a more speedy and accurate processing, not only with our business permits, but also with our other concerns. Padayon Ormoc sa kauswagan. Thank you.
I was impressed with the size of the City Hall, but I am all the more impressed with the capacity of the mayor who runs the city. So you are all lucky to have a leader in the person of Mayor. And coming up with this size and edifice comes with a system that will run it efficiently. So I'm happy that there is such a leader somewhere in the region which is said to be poor, but my realization coming over to Ormoc, there's something wrong in the declaration of Leyte as one of the poorest provinces in the country. The city is embodied in its seat of power. I'm sure it will reverberate in the entire country. That the city hall in Ormoc is something that you can talk clearly. Now, so that's my impression. But, of course, I'm very sure that as an engineer, because engineers are also good accountants or mathematicians. So we must have computed fairly well that this is not a losing proposition. Also because he is a contractor. Okay? So he makes sure that everything that he does is business, and therefore it is profitable. You need such a big or a huge city hall, not just for yourselves, but for the people you're serving. As said, it is a milestone because this is the first occupant. NIRBAC is not DTI. NIRBAC actually is a common area for the different agencies who are involved in licensing to converge here. And thank you also for accommodating us this afternoon. If I were one of your constituents, I can vote for Mayor Padilla without thinking, okay? So,
Undersecretary ended up with business registration process because the very beginning of all this is the streamlining of the business permit and licensing system, or BPLS, of Ormoc City, which was one of the two components of the German DDZ assisted project on SMEDCEP, which is the streamlining of business permit and licensing, awarded as the best sub-national project in the whole of Asia.
Wow!
By the donor committee. And then similar project of streamlining. So, naging entry na ng Pilipinas yung BPLS ng Ormoc, which was the first PPLS together with Bacolod that was piloted by the TDC. And this garnered the best sub-national project on competitiveness.